Hello everyone, I am Alexandra Stevenson and I am here to walk you through my app, Balance. Balance is a health and wellness tracking app. It was created to help those that are trying to work on more realistic goals for their personal, mental, and physical health. It uses a weekly tracker to help create long-lasting habits. So we'll go ahead and get started here. As you can see, you can create an account or you can sign in if you're already an existing user. We will go ahead and create an account. So to create, you can do the basics here, name, email, and password. You can also create or sign in with Google, Facebook, or Apple ID. So we'll go ahead and create. And then you go through just a couple of brief screens of what to expect when you get into the app. You can also skip this at any time at the top here. So tracking your weekly goals, staying motivated with friends, and the purpose of the app to balance your mind and body health. So this brings us to our home screen here. As you can see, the main feature is your weekly progress tracker. So this does go through all of the exercise category, meditate, and cook as well. We also have our challenges with friends, your own personal achievements. We'll go ahead and start up here with the account settings. So this is going to be where we'll go to change if you don't want to do 4 runs or 4 yoga sessions. You can change this at any time up here in your account. So we've got all of our basics in the account. This will be the tracker settings. So in the tracker settings, you can change the amount per week that you want to do for each category. You can also leave it blank if you don't want that in your weekly tracker settings. So to go with the tracker settings, I did add an insights page as well. So if you're ever feeling maybe a little bit down, you had a bad week, or maybe you just want to know overall, the whole point of creating these long-lasting habits is to see this overall picture. So your insights can bring you that. You can see how you're doing overall once you've accumulated some weeks in, and you can also see how many of each category you've completed. So in our account, we also have access to our challenges with friends here. So you can come to your friends tab. You can search for friends in many different ways. You'll go ahead and click on one of these send buttons in the friends that you already have added. That'll bring up challenges, and you can click on one of these and it'll send it to that friend. So a good way to stay motivated. It's a nice social aspect. It's just kind of a fun way to keep up with your friends and stay motivated and on track. So we'll go back to home here. You can also complete challenges here once you've already sent them to friends and they've accepted. You can complete that here. Once you've completed one, you can go ahead and click, and it'll give you a nice little pop-up. So then we'll come down here to our categories. We've got cook, exercise, and meditate. So all of our tabs are going to look pretty much the same. They all have their category tab, and you can toggle over to favorites. And they all also have a filters up here. So you can do a keyword search if you might know what you're looking for. But in each of the tabs, you also have the option to filter through something. So many people kind of want things to be narrowed down. Maybe they're not quite sure what they're looking for. So you'll get your search results, and then we'll also always have trending meditations in each tab, trending exercises, that sort of thing. Just another helpful way for people to find things if they're not quite sure where to get started. Once you start completing anything from your categories here, you can come back to the home screen at any time and you can complete anything. So if you complete a run, a yoga session, you can just click on that card, go ahead and complete that. The pop-ups again are always just kind of nice and motivating, and then you can start to close your circles out, and then it's just kind of a nice way to feel accomplished. So those are all the main features of Balance. I hope you found some value to this app, and I really appreciate you taking the time to let me walk you through it. Thank you so much.